What are we supposed to do with the consumer packaged goods stocks here? We know the domestic economy has slowed down of late, which is normally good for these consistent, steady Eddie names. But if you believe the Federal Reserve statements of late, that softness might just be temporary. So where does that put Clorox, maker of Glad bags, Kingsford charcoal, Hidden Valley salad dressing, Fresh Step kitty litter, Burt's Bees personal care products, and the plain old Clorox bleach and its derivatives? Here's a company that just reported a small earnings beat this morning with higher than expected revenue. Very important. And its stock rallied nicely, up $1.11. And it's now gained close to 10% for the year. That's a leader in the vast packaged goods cohort. So let's check in with Benno Dorer. He's the chairman and CEO of Clorox. Get a better sense of the quarter and his company's prospects. Mr. Dorer, welcome back to Mad Money.
Good to be back, Jim. Thank you.
Okay, Benno, first, happy 104th birthday to Clorox. And then second, you may be 104, but the innovation is what drove this revenue beat.
Innovation keeps us young.
Right.
And I think that sets us apart from many of our peers today, Jim, that we have a lot of innovation in an environment that I would characterize as innovation starved. And that's why we've been able to post the fourth consecutive quarter of 7+% volume growth.
Right.
And that translates into strong earnings. So we're on track towards another good fiscal year, and we're confident in our strategy.
Well, I think nothing explains to people better than when we talk about a product. You've got a couple of Scentiva. This thing, I mean, now, I don't know why that's on fire. I want to know why it is.
It's pretty simple. People love the cleaning power of the Clorox products, but they told us that they want more experiential fragrances.
But how can experiential? I mean, it's Clorox.
Well, you should smell it, Jim. We have partnered with high-end fragrance houses to create really wonderful fragrances. And if you think about it, it's a little reward as you clean, and it makes your day a little bit better. And it also looks pretty cool at shelf. So this is an innovation that we've launched in spray form and that we've launched in wipes form in January, and it's off to a really powerful start. Well,
I think it was hard for the analysts in the conference call to come to terms with these things because they kept saying, well, where are you putting that money, as if you were trying to do what a lot of other companies are doing, which is cutting back and trying to find other ways to buy back stock and get better shelf space. That's not your game.
The way I like to talk about it, Jim, is that we're going zig where many other companies are going zag. What we are doing is we're leaning hard into cost savings and productivity programs to generate funds, but then we're taking those funds and we're reinvesting them into the business. And we're doing that with discipline so we have strong returns. And that's what delivers the strong sales growth that we have.
Well, another thing is that you've made very smart boutique acquisitions, then blown them out. The one that is my favorite is the Ultimate Flora Renewed Life. That also, it's been 1 year ago. How are you doing in making everyone realize, and people know me, in my little world, people know I can't go without. How are you making people realize that this is the best one-a-day solution you could possibly have?
Renew Life is a great business for Clorox. When we acquired it about a year ago, our premise was that this is a fast-growing category, a great brand, very profitable, and that our capabilities would provide for a really strong strategic fit. And all of that has become true. So it's ahead of expectations. The integration is going smoothly. We're building distribution. We're growing market share. And I'm very optimistic about Renew Life.
And once again, millennials seem to be able to find your product because you are where they shop, right?
That's been a hallmark, and we're here in the Bay Area, and that, of course, puts us in a position to partner with world-class companies to build capabilities to market and sell our products online. Our e-commerce business, which accounts for north of 3% of sales right now, is up 30% fiscal year to date. Our largest customer in the space was up 75% last quarter. So we have a lot of momentum because we're investing in innovation, for instance, like Brita Stream, which is here. That's an innovation that delivers 10 times faster performance, filters your water 10 times faster, and it's off to a really, really strong start in e-commerce because consumers who shop online love this innovation.
Well, I think that's why I do want to ask you one last question. We came up. The clubs in Walmart, they love you. Why?
Because we have strong brands and because we bring dollars to them to invest in category growth.
All right, terrific. Another great quarter from Benno Dorer, Clorox Chairman CEO. Happy 104th. Good to see you, sir. Mad Money's back after the break. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.